Hello everyone, मैं BL Sharma Math sir discussing exercise 9.1 in continuation. This is question number 6. The chapter is chapter 9, some application of trigonometry, class 10th mathematics, और मैं BL Sharma Math sir. The question is on your screen. A 1 point tall boy standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes, he's a boy, and this is building. 30-meter tall building. The height of the boy is AF, that is 1.5 meter. And since this is 1.5 meter, this is also 1.5 meter. The total height is 30 meters. So here to here, E to D, that is 28.5 meter. The angle I of the boy, F at F, so angle of elevation of top of building is 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. After walking some distance, the angle of elevation becomes 60 degree. The distance the boy walked toward the building is FG. We have to calculate FG here. AF एक 1.5 मीटर टॉल बॉय है. CE एक 30 मीटर टॉल बिल्डिंग है और यहां से यहां इतना डिस्टेंस पे ये बॉय इस बिल्डिंग से खड़ा है. यहाँ पे एप पे बॉय का आईज है, जो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन टॉप ऑफ बिल्डिंग है वो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 30 डिग्री है. यहां से यहां तक बॉय जाता है टुवर्ड्स द बिल्डिंग, मींस एफ जी दैट इज इक्वल टू ए बी, और यहां से जो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है वो है 60 डिग्री. बताइए इस बॉय ने बिल्डिंग की तरफ कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया, दैट इज एफ जी. मींस इन दिस फिगर वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट एफ जी. So first of all, the height of building is AC, that is 30 meter. The height of the boy, that is AF, or now you can say BZ, or you can say DC. That is equal to 1.5 meter. So, and angle FED, that is 30 degree. If BZ is the new position of the boy, then angle EZD, that is 60 degree. And ED is equal to 28.5 meter. Total 30 है. 30 में से 1.5 subtract करें, then this DE or ED, that is 28.5 meter. As I told you earlier, in right angle triangle, if one acute angle is given and one side is given, we can determine the remaining two sides. So here there are two acute angles, 30 degree and 60 degree, and two right angles, right triangle EDG and other right triangle is right triangle EDF. So in right triangle EDF, FD, ED upon FD, this is ED, this is FD. That is acute angle 30 degree. So for 30 degree, ED is perpendicular, FD is base. So ED upon FD, that is tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree. The value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So you can write 1 upon root 3, and ED is 28.5 upon FD. So FD is 28.5 meter. Now in right triangle EDG. EDG. This acute angle is 60 degree. So ED upon ZD. For 60 degree, ED is perpendicular, ZD is base. So perpendicular upon base, that is tan 60. The value of tan 60 degree is root 3. So root 3 is equal to ED. ED is equal to 28.5 upon ZD. So on further calculation, we get GD is equal to 28.5 upon root 3. Rationalize करें. On rationalizing means multiply and divide by root 3. So it is 28.5 root 3 upon 3. On further calculation, you can say it is 9.5 root 3 meter. So here you will see that distance GD means here this distance is 9.5 root 3. And this distance FD is 28.5. So what is FG? Subtract कर दें. Therefore, FG is equal to FD minus GD, that is 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3, that is equal to 19 root 3 meter. यही हमारा आंसर. You can write the answer statement. That's why the boy walked a distance 19 root 3 meter towards the building. That's all. Question number 7 on your screen. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building are 45-degree and 60-degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Say this is a building plus tower, and there is a point D. The angle of elevation of top of transmission tower and top of building, that is 45-degree and 60-degree as shown in the figure. Here you will see that AB is the building, 20-meter high building, and BC is transmission tower. We have to determine the length of BC. This is tower. Suppose this BC is equal to S meter. The height of the transmission tower is S meter. We have to calculate here this BC, height of transmission tower. Here are two acute angles with right angle in triangle BAD. BAD, this right angle triangle. AB upon DA. For this 45-degree, AB is perpendicular and AD is base. So perpendicular upon base, that is 10, 45-degree. But we know 45-degree is 1, AB is 20, and DA is, you can write DA. So DA is 20 meter, means this DA is 20 meter. Now in right triangle CAD or right triangle DAC, for this 60-degree angle, AC is perpendicular and AD is base. AC upon DA, that is tan 60-degree. Tan 60-degree is root 3. So root 3 AC is equal to 20 plus H. And DA is equal to 20. On cross multiplication, 20 plus H is equal to 20 root 3. H is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. So take 20 common, that is root 3 minus 1. H is to find out karna. This is height of the tower BC, that is H. So you can write the answer statement now. So the height of the tower is 20 multiplied by root 3 by minus 1 meter. That's all. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. देखिए ये पेडेस्टल है BC। इसका जो हाइट है वो S मीटर है। ये पेडेस्टल बनाइए इसको। इसके ऊपर 1.6 मीटर टॉल स्टेचू है। देखिए ये शेडी स्टेचू है, एंड द हाइट ऑफ स्टेचू अबव द पेडेस्टल दैट इज 1.6 मीटर। ये टॉप ऑफ पेडेस्टल है और ये टॉप ऑफ स्टेचू है। ग्राउंड से किसी पॉइंट ग्राउंड से 45 डिग्री और 60 डिग्री का एंगल बनाते हैं, और हमें ये हाइट एस फाइंड आउट करनी है। यहाँ पे आपको दो एक्यूट एंगल नजर आ रहे हैं, वन इज 45 डिग्री एंड अदर इज 60 डिग्री। एंड फॉर फर्स्ट फॉर इन राइट ट्राइंगल ए बी सी फॉर 45 डिग्री BC upon AB. For 45 degree, base is perpendicular AB's base. This is 45 degree. So perpendicular upon base, that is 10 45 degree, and 10 45 degree is 1. So 1 BC is H upon AB. Cross multiplication AB is equal to H मीटर। वैसे भी देखिए ये 45 डिग्री है, ये 90 है, तो ये भी 45 डिग्री होगा। आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल हो जाता है ऐसे केसेस में। ये दोनों साइड इक्वल होती हैं। सो दिस AB इज H मीटर, दैट इज इक्वल टू हाइट ऑफ पेडेस्टल। नाउ इन राइट ट्राइंगल ABD, ABD, BD upon AB for acute angle 60 degree perpendicular upon base, that is again tan 60 degree. The value of tan 60 degree is √3. BD is H plus 1.6 and AB is H meter. On cross multiplication, root thrice of H minus H, that is 1.6. Take H common, √3 minus 1, that is 1.6. So H is equal to 1.6 upon √3 upon minus 1. Now rationalize the denominator. So 1.6 upon √3 minus 1 into √3 plus 1 divided by √3 plus 1. So 1.6 √3 plus 1, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2. 1.6 by 2, that is 0.8 upon √3 plus 1. That's all. यही फाइंड आउट करना है, हाइट ऑफ पेडेस्टल। So you can write the answer. So height of pedestal is 0.8 multiplied by √3 plus 1 meter answer. इसका स्पेलिंग गलत है। So that's all for this question. This side, this side, this side.